Hi, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will learn about how to gain weight for skinny guy. In this video, we will understand about how you can gain your muscle and a little bit fat, and basically how to gain weight or how to gain mass of the body. So first of all, we should need to understand that number one thing is that the weight gain is two type. Number one is the more fat production, more fat creation, adipose tissue like obesity, but it is not a true obesity, but it is just normally fat. Normally fat will apply in your body through diet if you are a skinny guy. On the other hand, we will understand about the how to gain muscle, because both things is too much important. So remember that things, both things is too much important for the gain weight. So number one thing is that the muscle gain is the another strategy, while the fat gain is the another strategy. Both will lead to increase the weight. So remember that things. So first of all, you should need to understand the insulin. So the spike of the insulin due to the intake of the sugar or other food like protein, fat, also as well as the simple sugar or carbohydrate, complex carbohydrate, which that will trigger the pancreas, the beta cell of pancreas, the Langerhans, beta cell of Langerhans, which that is present in the pancreas, will stimulate due to the food intake, and in this way the basically increase the insulin. The meaning of the increase of the insulin is the gaining of the weight, because the all nutrient will be go into the adipose tissue, will convert into the fat, but also go into the muscle. If you are working hard, going to the gym, hard exercise, it means the growth of the muscle will increase, because you are continuously breaking down the fiber of the muscle. But in the case of the rest, so it means you will gain the fat. So both thing is important. Let's understand about that. Frequent meal, which that will lead to increase the insulin, and in this way the again and again insulin production will lead to gain weight, even fat or muscle. So remember that things. It means you should increase the meal, increase the 3 time meals or more than 3 time. So don't snacking, but just basically divide the meal and count the calorie. So that will work. On the other hand, if you working hard in the gym, you should grow muscle from the skinny to the muscular. In this way, you should basically eat protein more and spike the insulin after the exercise, and again during the exercise you should also spike the insulin through branch chain amino acid or other things. So in this way your concern should be on the basis of increase the insulin level. In this way the growth hormone should also require for the bone density, increase of the bone, increase of the muscle. So in this way the fasting is too much important, but don't concern with the fasting, because during the night time the fasting ultimately will occur, and during the morning time you should break the fast, and in this way you will gain the weight. And that is the major strategy. If you are depending the food, so you should decrease the metabolism. How to decrease the metabolism? That is very important things. Remember that things, protein products, which that will lead to trigger the more metabolism, because the amino acid will work, and in this way the more catabolism. On the other hand, remember that things, basically when you will gaining the weight, so in this way you should you should basically don't stress. On the other hand, don't anxiety, depression, and that is the another strategy you should fix with your own will, because I am not explaining about that. But remember that things, basically you should basically exercise, and in this way grow muscle, but decrease the protein and fat, because fat and protein increase the metabolism. but the increase of the carbohydrate to trigger the insulin level, and in this way the insulin will increase, will lead to decrease the metabolism. Remember, one more important thing is that the buffering of the insulin will lead to metabolism function more properly, and lipolysis will occur due to the growth hormone stimulation. But again and again the stimulation of the insulin will lead to gain the weight, but you should limit it gain the weight. For example, if you are a 50 kg weight, it means you should go to the 60. So be on the limit and don't cross the limit, and in this way you will gain the weight. And that is why this is a strategy. You can search the food which that will decrease the metabolism. You can search from the different sites, and you can learn about that, and you can apply that food during the meal time, and that will lead to decrease also the metabolism. On the other hand, more rest, when you will more rest, in this way you will also gain the weight. But properly and functionally good weight gaining is very important. Like if you are gaining the weight in your abdomen, so it is not good. In this way you should go into the gym and decrease the abdominal fat, but you should cover the fat throughout the body. In this way the dividing of the fat throughout the body should be important, because you will look more good. But this is a fat increase. After the increase of the fat, you should decrease the fat by the ketogenic diet or other diet will lead to grow the muscle. And you should get the second step is gaining of the muscle and losing of the fat. That is important things which that will lead to transform from the skinny to the muscular body. So the both diet is different. For example, decrease the metabolism, again and again eating, which that will lead to increase the weight will be fat, and that fat should be shredded. And after this shredding process, you should eat protein meal and increase the metabolism, go to the gym, more work hard for the increase the muscle. So you should target to the muscle. That is important things. I hope you make sense about that. Next video we will also understand about the whole physiology of the whole physiology of the weight gaining process, because it is limited. We will also concern with the another hormone regulation and how to increase the weight. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please make sure to subscribe, like and share. I am also making the handwritten tutorial. If you like that, please like and share my video, and I will make another video about more health consciousness and other type of video related to the health issue. Thanks for watching. Bye.